Hey guys, welcome to the exercise of onto, and into. Stay tuned and press the subscribe button below. Let's do. She plays the book blank the table. The choice is onto. The answer is on. On is used to indicate that the book is resting in a position directly above and in contact with the surface of the table. The cat jumped blank the bed. The choice is onto. The answer is onto. The cat jumped onto the bed. Onto is used to indicate movement from one place to a surface. It implies that the cat moved upward and landed on the bed. Please put your shoes blank the shoe rack. The answer is on. Please put your shoes on the shoe rack. On is used to indicate that the shoes should be placed in a position above and in contact with the surface of the shoe rack. The ball rolled blank the street. The answer is on too. The ball rolled onto the street. Onto is used to show movement from one place, for example, sidewalk, grass, etc., to another, for example, the street. It implies that the ball was previously on a different surface and moved onto the street now. The painting hangs blank the wall. The answer is on. The painting hangs on the wall. On is used to describe the position of the painting in the relation to the wall's surface. It indicates that the painting is attached to the wall and is not moving. She put the groceries blank the refrigerator. The choice is into. The answer is into. She put the groceries into the refrigerator. In this sentence, into is used to indicate movement from one place to another. The groceries are being moved from where they currently are, perhaps a shopping bag or the countertop, to inside the refrigerator. Into emphasizes this action of movement or transfer into a space. The keys are blank my pocket. The answer is in. The keys are in my pocket. In this sentence, in is used to indicate location. The keys are located within the confines of the pocket. There is no movement or transfer involved, just a statement of where the keys are situated. She walked blank the room and sat down at her desk. The answer is into. She walked into the room and sat down at her desk. In this sentence, into is used to indicate the movement from outside the room to the inside. The action is entering the room. The cat jumped blank the box and curled up for a nap. The answer is into. The cat jumped into the box and curled up for a nap. Here, into indicates the movement of the cat from a position outside the box to a position inside it. The action is entering the box. Please place your shoes blank the designated area before entering the mosque. Now, you answer me in comments. Bye bye.